Ever feel like your body's just doing this all the time, but the problem is it's stuck? The light won't turn back off. So this actually might be a nervous system flare-up. Dr. Paulson here at Lowe Chiropractic, and I'm here to explain what a nervous system flare-up even means. So you have two parts of your nervous system. You have your sympathetic nervous system and your parasympathetic nervous system. So your sympathetics are your fight versus flight. This is when the light is constantly on, it never shuts off. Parasympathetics are your rest and digest. Everything feels nice and calm. So when you have all your fight versus flight, your sympathetic nervous system on for so long, everything just gets fatigued. So you feel tired all the time, you feel weak, you just don't have energy whatsoever. Something that you can do at home for this great idea is meditation. Everybody loves to meditate. Just try to shut that brain off. If things are just a little bit too fidgety for you, you can do the 5 countdown rule. So the idea behind this is you're going to list 5 things that you can see, 4 things that you can feel, 3 things that you can hear, 2 things that you can smell, and 1 thing that you can taste. What else can you do with this? Adjustments are great. Adjustments help reset your nervous system to finally turn off the sympathetics and be able to rest and digest again. I'm Dr. Paulson. I'll see you soon.